In this lecture, I am going to explain how to convert Moore machine to Mealy machine. Question is given here. So in Moore machine, output depends on present state, whereas in Mealy machine, output depends on present state as well as present input symbol. First, let me explain the tuples of Moore machine, and then I will explain how to convert Mealy machine. Q, that is set of finite number of states. Here I have 4 states: Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3, and 2 input symbols are used, A and B. 2 output symbols are used, 0 and 1. This is transition diagram, and the initial state is Q0. Now output transition, lambda of Q0. Output of Q0 is 1. Output of Q1 is 0. Output of Q2 is 0. Output of Q3 is 1. Now let me draw transition table for Mealy machine. And now I am going to construct Mealy machine. Q0, if input is A, next state is Q1. Output of Q1 is 0. So Q0, next state is Q1 and output is 0. Now Q0, if input is B, next state is Q3. Output of Q3 is 1. Q1, if input is A, next state is Q3. Output of Q3 is 1. Q1, if input is B, next state is Q1. Now output of Q1 is, now Q2, if input is A, next state is Q0. Output of Q0 is 1. Q2, if input is B, next state is Q3 and output of Q3 is 1. Now next state is Q3. Q3, if input is A, next state is Q3. Output of this Q3 is 1. Q3, if input is B, next state is Q2. Output of this Q2 is 0. So now we converted this Moore machine to Mealy machine. So in Moore machine, output depends on present state, whereas in Mealy machine, output depends on present state as well as present input.